is here. I think it is very sad. Looking at the card, senior citizens aged 51 and 80 years. And taking into consideration the discourse above, I arrive at the following decision to be an appropriate sentence in the circumstances. I'll start with the third accused person, Raya Nakerali. She is sentenced to serve 5 years imprisonment. For the second accused person, Pacifica Nakerali Ochogo, sentenced to serve 10 years imprisonment. However, for the first accused person, who was a mason behind the offense here, is sentenced to serve 40 years imprisonment. Right of appeal 14 years.